Hello and welcome to Jackwagon Garage. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it. So today, I am going to attempt to change the air filter on this 2016 Cruze. I have not seen any videos or any instructions on how to do so, so I'm going to attempt this myself and make a video. Hopefully help some other people out. So stay tuned. So I'm looking around this air box, and there are 3 screws. There's one there. Phillips head. One there, and one right here. Let me get the camera on that thing. Right there. And it looks like we're going to need to remove this snorkel and possibly this, I don't know if that's the intake air temp sensor. Oh, it might be the MAF. This might be the MAF. And then there's this here tube here. So I went ahead, I found, I believe this is genuine GM. Bought it on Amazon. It's got a GM part number on it. It says GM, manufactured by Mali. Alright, so let's hop to it. Alright, after showing you where all these screws are, I'm going to leave the camera here and hop to it. Try to find my light. There we go. There is one screw there. I do not know if these are captured or not. I'm going to assume they are. Well, let's find out from this one. No, they are not captured. Oh yes, they are. They're captured. They're captured. Nice. Don't have to worry about losing them. Now this has a little red tab. Let's get this camera over here. This appears to be, yep, lift that up. What do we got to do here? We have to depress this? Yep, you depress this little tab in. Wiggle that up. Alright, now look, our wire harness is zip tied to that housing. Okay. I'm going to take a good old flat screwdriver and undo this worm gear clamp on the end of the snorkel here. Wiggle that off. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh, this. Okay. This lifts up. Let's get this light on the hood here. Apparently I didn't loosen this one screw back here enough. It's out. Something's impeding in here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. Looks like perhaps you need to squeeze this. Okay, you squeeze this little tab here and pull that up. Is there another screw down here perhaps? Oh, where are you hiding? I feel as though there's something else holding this on. Grab my light and look down here. Yes! Ah, bingo, we found another screw. So there are 4 screws. There's one buried up under this sucker. So if I can get this out, oh, look at that. She snapped right out. Okay, very nice. Snapped out. So there is a 4th screw right there. Oh, and check it out. There is the, I'm assuming the high pressure fitting for the AC, and you got your low up here. And you know what? This car has R134A. Oh, I'm so relieved by that. Glad it's not 1234YF. So we'll get this 4th screw out. easy. Light back up here. Alright, oh, this thing is zip tied. Well, let's see if we can flip this out of the way. Oh, check that out. Oh, hello. Okay, so there we go. The air filter is on the top side of the housing. And we got some leaves down on the bottom side. We're going to go ahead and clean them out. Alright, I went ahead and cleaned those out, so let's on to the filter. Let's see how she attaches. I think this is telling me, okay, so what we got here, there's an arrow pointing in and an arrow out, so it's telling you to squeeze, and lift. Easier said than done. Yeah, I see how they squeeze in. Now do they lift? Oh, you push this back. Push that back. Okay, back, up and out. Oh, very nice. Okay. There's the stock GM filter. So just over 10,000 miles on it. And, oh wow, and you can see the math. That is indeed the mass airflow sensor. Okay, that was an experience. So, get the new one out, and we'll see if we can zoom in on these little tabs you need to press in. So I pressed in and I pulled that little plastic away like that. So I think we'll try to round that out. I think, okay, so this has to go on the top where these arrows are. You can see the little grooves orient into this here. So let's squeeze that on there and then pull this back and twist and push. Okay, those tabs give some resistance there, and we're back in. All right. So I guess all we do is spin this back around, get the snorkel out of the way. You see these screws are captured. We're going to line them up. I think you might want to pop these. Okay, there we go. They're lined up. We can plug the math back in, click that red tab down. We'll take our Phillips screwdriver and screw these 4 screws back down. Uno, dos, tres, and cuatro right there. All right, we're going to put this snorkel back on. And before I tighten that down, all right, we're going to figure out how this snaps in. Okay, let me get the camera around here so we can see. Let's zoom in. So there, right here, this will snap onto that. I don't know if it snaps on so much as if it just rests against it. It looks like it might just rest up against here. I don't see any retaining tabs or any. Yeah, there's like foam around this, so it just rests up against there. So we'll zoom back out. All right. And this looks like this clicks down into here. Let's get this back in there. Yep, okay, see what I should have did is put this on last. So disregard when I said put the snorkel on first. Put this in first. And push her back. Snap. All right, now it's snorkel time. Okay. Back in. Let's tighten this down. And double check our work, make sure that's snug, make sure this is snug, we're plugged in. Alright. Start the car and see if we got any check engine codes. That would be nope. Just tell me the hood's open. Let's go take a look. Don't hear any leaks anywhere. Well, this was educational. For me anyway. Hopefully it was for you. And that's how you change an air filter on a 2016 to 2019 Chevy Cruze 1.4 LE2 Turbo 4. Thanks again for visiting. If this helped you out in any way, give me a big old thumbs up. And do me a favor, hit subscribe. I appreciate everybody that's subscribed. Thanks for visiting Jackwagon Garage, and we'll catch you in the next one.